Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how we can use the male voice using the Python. So if I give any text, the male can speak this sentence. So where we will use the this library pip install pytts then x and 3. I have already installed. So it's give the requirement already satisfied. Next, that import the same library pytts 3. So it's working. Next, I have taken the male variable where I pass the pytt is a more library. Then in it is used for the initialize the object attributes. Okay, it's also working. Now next is the male is a variable name, then dot say where I pass the text Jai Shri Krishna. So it's also working. The next is the male dot run and wait. It is the inbuilt function. So
Jai Shri Krishna.
you can heard that the voice about the male. So this is the program where I have used the male voice. Thank you.